answers. I deserve it. Call me crazy, call me selfish. I'm the baddest and I'm worth it. Give me just a little bit, little bit. On me, on mine. I don't wanna hear it. Only one. On me, on mine. Give me just a little bit. On me, on mine. Give me just a little bit, little bit.
We did it. We did it. We did it. We did it. Never give up. Ever. I spent an entire year streaming to one fucking viewer. My dad. Never give up in a million, billion, zillion years. Do you understand me? I spent the first year of streaming to one viewer. I could have gave up on 365 different days and I kept going. Because all you need in life is two things. Belief in yourself and patience. That's literally all you need. If you believe in yourself and have patience, it's done. Hard work is great, but what if you only work hard for a week? Never, ever stop fucking grinding. Oh my god, my dad's calling me. This was the one viewer I had, by the way, my dad. Yo! What's up, Dad?
Yo, congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you, Dad.